Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica here. If you click on this video, that means you really want to know what latest trending app that pays people all over the world now. Similar to TikTok, you do 4 things you do on TikTok and you get paid. You go live, you get paid. You gift people. All these coins you're using to gift people on TikTok. If you bring these coins, if you use your money and buy coins on this app and gift people, you earn more coins in return. Yes, so even if people call you, you earn. That's just it. If you play game, you are earning. Join people daily. Do this every day, and guys, you're really going to be getting money. The thing is that only female accounts earn money on this app. If you open a male account, there is no tendency that you'll be earning a lot, and you have to get to a particular level before you earn. So let me not bore you with all this talk. Let us get straight to the video on how to sign up and all the things you need to do. I'll be dropping my referral link in the description. All you need to do is to download the app. Make sure you download the app for my referral link, because I'll be getting a commission when you download the app, and also you'll be able to get a bonus when you download the app. So let's get to the video.
So guys, when you successfully sign up, this is what it's going to be showing you. And when you sign up, you will see where you have your nickname. Put the logo, diamond and lipstick in your nickname when you're signing up, and make sure you sign up as a female. So this is what it's going to show you. Then this is also party. Sorry, my network didn't allow it to load. It's just similar to what you just said. So, and this is your dashboard. This is where I tapped that took me to the dashboard. So here you see my name. This is my account on Poppo right now. Jessie is my name. You can change your name via this place and add your picture via this place that I just circled for you. This is my coins. This is my amount that I can withdraw, and yeah, to my bank account straight. This is my fans club. This is authentication sign, store, and this is game. This is my rank. This is reward. Reward is where I will see my tax here. Your daily tax will be found in the reward. This is where you want to invite people, and this is guardian. That is all you need to know about the dashboard. Then here we have our settings. This is the next step, guys. When you tap on the settings, it's going to take you to join an agency. You're going to be joining an agency with the code 4056880 Bessy agency. When you successfully join the agency, it's going to give you the congratulation message. When you're done the congratulation message, then you need to take the next step. So that is how you're going to join the agency. You're going to be inputting the code 4056880 in that place before it gives you congratulation message. That's all. So when you're done with the joining agency, the next step is for you to do your face authentication. When you click there, you are asked to upload. Mine is already certified because I've done mine. You'll be asked to upload your picture. When you upload your picture, then you will see a camera that will face you, that will say you should aim your face and do whatever you are told to do. You'll be told to turn your head left to right, nod your head, smile, and all sort of things, just to verify your face if truly you are the one. So when you are done, it will tell you authentication success. Then you are ready for the next step. So guys, the next thing for you to do is to upload your live cover photo. You take a bright picture of yourself like this. Do not post one that is not accepted like the ones below. Then when you put it, then you tap on the done mark and it's successful. You will see that these 2 marks will be shown done, meaning that you are ready to do your task, which is go live for 1 hour. Alright guys, so you can tap live now, or just go back to your dashboard by tapping on this place I highlighted for you there for you to go live. And you tap on live, you'll be asked to upload the content. If you want singing, join me, put anything you want to put there, then you go live like this. When you go live like this, you will get your first $1, and if you are consistent, you will be earning more. Many other tasks you'll be doing on the app, and many other fun things you do that you'll be paying. It's real, guys. If you're consistent and you complete your tasks, I'm telling you, you'll be able to withdraw $10, which is the withdrawal limit, the minimum withdrawal. I can't say everything on this video, so if you have more questions, guys, feel free to join my WhatsApp and Telegram group. I'll be dropping the links in the description. Ask any questions in the comment section. I'll be rushing at you and I'll answer everything. Guys, if you know I've been of help to you, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your friends. And until next time, see you in my next video.